use that to cut bait, huh? Just walking my bait down the bank. Oh, I'm getting a pull. Oh, I'm getting a pull. That was quick. Oh yeah, he's got it. He's got it. Oh yeah, he's got it. He's still taking it. I set the bucket down. He's running. He's running. He's got it. Lock it in. Yeah. First bite. I hope I got him good. Keep it tight. Happy Thanksgiving. Come on now. Wife started cooking and I was like, I'm out. I guess we have like 20 family members coming over. Kids, grandchildren. Unfortunately, some of the other ones decided to cook for themselves and don't want to be a part of it. Can't blame them. That's how I was. Like, grew up and was like, I'm done. Stay here and this is my... I lost them. I lost them. That's not a good way to start. That's not a good way to start at all. Let's try that again. Let it drift with the current till it comes over to the bank. See this? I get past that bush. I just pulled on my bait too. Oh, and it pulled back. Oh, it's got it. It's got it. Does it still have it? Does it still have it? Locked it in. I don't know if it still has it or not. Huh. I'm waiting for my line to tighten up. Give me a pull. There's a tug. Give me a pull. Like you're just eating on it. Give me a pull. Let's go. Come on, let's go. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I got him. Do I got him good? Oh, he's out in the middle. And it's light. It's probably a striper. Small striper. What do you think? Yep. It's a small striper. Come on, buddy. You're not big enough to keep. Get you off, throw you back. Yeah. These are pretty good. This feels like a striper. Huh? on, I can't hear you. My reel's too loud. Oh no, this feels like a catfish. I think. He's out in the middle though. Put up a fight. Like a catfish. Oh wow. Unless it's a nice striper. I think it's a catfish. Oh, let's see. I'm pretty sure it's a catfish the way it's pulling. I could be wrong. It's a striper. No, it's a cat. Shit, I can't make up my mind. What is it? What is it? Get it closer. My first guess is catfish. Thanksgiving catfish. Right there. Is he pulling you? When he starts pulling good, do the count. Click it. Set the hook. Oh, I'm getting the pull. I'm getting the pull. I'm getting a good pull. He's running with it. Locked it in. Stay on. He's coming at me. He's coming at me fast. Whoa. Little slick. Little slick. This one's a catfish. I can feel it. I was worried I didn't have bait because I got hit on the release. I got a bug on my glasses. Got a bug on my nose. Here he is. Come on. Stay on. Stay on. Right on the road. There's a bump. There's a pull. Got him. This one's a cat. Golly, this guy's putting up a fight. He doesn't want to be caught. Here he comes. Whoa. Come on, buddy. Yeah. Number 3. I almost made you famous. Poor Francisco. It's a fun name. Say it with me. Hey, did you get it? All right, reel down. You got more hooks, right? All right, well, the only way to get it out now is to aim your rod straight down to it, reel up tight, and hold your rod straight, hold your line, and go backwards so you don't snap your rod. Don't bend it, you'll break something. Reel down tight to it. Reel down as much as you can. Hold your rod straight. Grab your line really good and walk backwards. Just keep it straight. Keep it going until it snaps. You snap or did you get it back? Alright, now you just tie a new one on. Shoot. What time did they say Thanksgiving dinner was? I don't know, let me look. What time is it? I think they said 2:30 to eat, right? Are you kidding me? What time is it? Ah, 12:27. Plenty of time. I'll come up with an excuse. Because I still have to walk back. I don't think he has any more hooks. I can't find them. They're probably in his pocket. He's going to see if he dropped them over there. He's all, did I leave them over here? He's like, no, I don't see them. What'd I do with those hooks? So I can't find my hooks. I'll be nice to him. I'll offer him hooks. You find your hooks?
Nope. I have to go back home to get it.
Why?
I don't have any.
Walk over here.
How do I do that?
Well, walk right around that side over there to over here. I got plenty of hooks.
That side?
Yeah, you walk all the way around it. It's not that far. Bring your shit. You can fish on this side. It's not that far. If I can do it, I'm 55. You can do it.
Yeah, no, for sure.
He's way over there. Oh, now that he can't see me, I'll walk down a little farther. What took you so long, man?
Took my time, man.
I just lost another bait. Hook's in there.
Alright.
Locked in. Pull. 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 Oh, yeah. Oh, come on, baby. That's the way. Oh, yeah. I hope he catches one. Give him a hook. Piece of bait. Let's see what happens. Golly. Make sure you go slow. Are you getting pulled?
A little bit.
Make sure it's running free out of your reel. Take your time coming this way. Golly. This guy. Ha! Got the old tail slap. Come on. Yeah. Oh yeah. Another catfish. All right. By the way, I don't know this guy. This kid was just on the other side and I started talking to him. Walked over here, give him a hook, give him some bait. I'm waiting for him to catch a fish. But I gotta go soon, which means he's gonna get the rest of my bait. I don't know. I don't want to be late. I gotta change because I smell like fish. Your line came out, huh? Don't pull all the way up, you'll lose it. I better go help him. All right, what seems to be the problem here?
I don't know. This line's too fragile or expired or something.
No, it's just that somebody ran it on the rod and didn't tie it off. So, where's the very end? Pick your rod up. The end is over here, right?
Yep.
All right, stand your rod up. Don't take that off yet. Here, give me this. Give me this. Hold that in case you get bit.
Yeah.
There we go. It's gonna be fun with my glasses on. Alright. It puts it in the hole. I'm gonna put this all back. So, did you put the line on?
No, I was already on.
So the problem is, it wasn't tied on your reel. It didn't snap in there at all, did it? Did it break?
It snapped.
Inside?
Yeah.
Oh, you pulled on it. You tried to get them snagged, huh?
I had like the last one in there, and I was like, pull it a little bit,
Your eyes bent down.
and then snap. It's right there.
Yeah, I was trying to bend your eye up. That's bent. This eye is bent. Oh. Yeah, you passed your bait up. If you get in a situation like that, always get straight on with your bait, reel it back up, check your bait, make sure it's on the hook, cast again. Okay, before we open this up, we'll put a loop on your line here, okay? You've done these before? All right.
Complete rook.
Well, look.
To the game.
Look, no, stay right there. Cool. See, I folded it in half, right? Check it. And you want to tie it, okay? So you'll run it through the two. If we can figure out which one it is. Pull it through once. I like to do it twice. So it'll lock in. Okay. Doesn't need to be a big loop. You see that loop? See that? You got too much tag line here. Get rid of the tag line. Shortened it up a little bit. Now you take this, you make another loop, right? And you run it through that loop you just tied a knot in, right? Now, have you ever trapped your brothers or sisters with a rope, tripwire? You ever done that? See that? See that right there? Okay. Then you undo this. Yeah, I see your lines in there. That's a problem. Now, you got to hold on here when you push this doohickey. See all that line up in there? You need to get that line out. You need to pick that line out, okay? And then, after you get all that out, then you put this around. But first, you make sure it's through this hole. Okay? That way, this is on your main line. I don't know why I'm having so many problems here. Okay, so this needs to be on here first, okay? But we don't want to tangle anything up when you go to tie it on. It's got to be straight on. You're gonna drop. Hang on to your line in your hand, okay? Now that's got to be like that. And you got to get this out, all right? And do that. So while you're doing that, what you need to do is let go of the line in your left hand. Don't worry about that. Let it go. If there's a fish, put this over your right wrist or left wrist or whatever. Cinch it down. There's a fish. It's not going to get away, okay? That's what needs to go around this. But you're going to have to pick all that out. So be careful, because this whole assembly will come out, okay? So sometimes you got to hold it. Push that thumb right there. And then reach in with your little fingers or a twig or something. Get that out. Here. Good luck. I'm going to go fishing. I wouldn't leave you stranded like that. Alright, so. Get this off. This is good leader line too. You wrap this up, put it in your pocket, right? Look at that. Look at that mess in there, okay? You need to save this. Put that in your pocket in case you need to tie a leader on and another set of hooks or something. Look at this. You sure you didn't do this?
Nope.
Well, they don't usually come from the store like that.
I bought it used.
Ah, that makes a lot of sense, because there's your original knot right there that I cannot get a hold of.
Oh, I got a knife, I think.
Oh, now you tell me you got a knife.
I was like, hold up, I think. I think it might be
in your car. I'm gonna hold this while you swim across. No.
Yeah, that's a good one. Nah.
All right. Well, we can go over that. Okay. Now look. While you're looking at it, when you're reeling, I noticed you're reeling backwards. Okay. You got this thing. This is how I do it. Okay. I noticed you're the other way. Okay. So it's this way. Your line's tightening up this way, right? That's open. Now give me that loop. Cuffs. All right. Now see, it was tightening this way, so we got to go this way, correct?
Yeah.
Is that right? Or am I looking at it backwards? Okay, now hold this. Okay, now let go of that. Hold your rod really good. Screw that on there straight. Don't cross thread it. It's not cross threaded, right?
Nope.
Nice and snug. Okay, now roll it up a little bit. Let's see what we're doing. Oh, look at that. Now you need to reach up like this. Watch what I'm doing here. Reach way out here. Put this in your chest. Hold your line tight so you don't get it loose in here. You don't want it loose in here when you're doing this, okay? What else is going on here? That's loose.
Yeah.
There, we don't do that. Okay, now do this and follow your line, okay? See how I got it tight? Hold the string tight while you're reeling it up. I'm holding this tight. You don't want to reel it up loose. Hold it with hold this. With your fingers.
This.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now put that in your chest and then reel that as you go. Keep your line tight as you reel. Walk that way and follow it.
Oh, man.
Good luck. Now if you break a hook off.
Snapped again.
What?
I don't know. I'm like, I don't know if my.
You sure you're not? Look, that's not even my knot. How are you cutting this? Ah, look at those nails. You need to cut those nails.
No, I was like this.
No, I'm just saying that for the video.
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on, bro. This line, I tied a knot on this. It's strong. Something else is hitting this.
Yeah, I don't know.
This is strong.
I don't know if my...
Unscrew that.
There's something sharp on there. Or...
Something's not right.
Cause I tied it a couple times and then it...
Because I tied a knot for you. I tied the hook on. It was strong.
Yeah.
What is it hitting? Feels smooth. All the way around. There's no burrs. And see, it is a Zebco. I yelled that across from the other side, right? I don't know what's going on. Pop that out and get that out like we just did. Remember how to do this like I told you?
Did tie the knot?
Yep. And do another one. Put that in your pocket too. This line is strong, so I don't understand why it's breaking. Besides your fingernails. Yeah. Here, I'm gonna let you fight this one. I got a fish. Hey. Just break it off. I got more hooks. Another red hook. And cut a piece of bait.
That little head right there?
Oh, you can cut another piece if you want.
I'll take that one.
Heads work. I know one time I used up all the bait. And I went back and used every head and caught another fish.
Oh, shoot.
Getting the pull. Got him. I seriously gotta go though. I still gotta walk all the way around and get to that family thing, you know, what's it called? Thanksgiving. I got some turkey and everything else waiting for me when I get home. Hey, you want all these fish?
I'll probably take one or two.
No, you take them all.
How much are there?
Enough to feed your family?
Like 6, 7?
No, not that many. But there's enough to feed your family. A fillet each, right? Yeah. That's, if I get this one out, I think this is 5. It's 10 fillets. Yeah. And then you can go home and go, look what I caught. It's your story, huh?
Yep, until they see the video on YouTube. Then.
I'm sure they won't see it. They don't know me.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, hang on to it. Hold on. Got a few more.
Nice size.
Yeah, well, like I said, there's enough to feed your family.
Oh,
You just tell them you caught them.
yep.
All right, Francisco, right? All right,
Yes,
good
sir.
fishing with you.
You too, man.
Good luck. There's fish, there's the bait.
Yeah.
See, that's why you got to put it there on the flat surface because they'll dump out.
No, for sure.
I'm going home for Thanksgiving.
Man,
Well,
appreciate all the
don't tell nobody. I'd rather be out here fishing. Later.
You already know, man.
Oh, it's 2:09. I'm cutting it close. I'm cutting it close. I made it on time.
You did.
Woo, look at all that stuff. Dang. And I was gonna help too.
Yeah, you were.
Oh. There's still other people showing up, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I made it home just in time. Fishing was horrible, guys. Here, smell my fingers. You awake? Hey, you. Hi.
Say hi.
Hi. 1 year old, huh?